startup web company. So in this training, we are basically going to be looking at how to develop a mobile app without any coding experience. What I mean by without any coding experience, what I mean is that you are not going to write any form of code. Watch this video to the end so that you understand how to do that. So all you have to do is to go to your browser. That's the first thing that you have to do. Locate your browser, as I'm going to locate my browser now. When you locate your browser, this is my browser, you type this URL, you go to this website, appcreator24, appcreator24.com. Go to appcreator24. When you open appcreator24, this is it here. This is appcreator24. This is a website that enables you to create any kind of mobile app. So here in this app, if you don't have any account, you just have to click on this sign up here and sign up and create an account with them. But if you have an account already, like me, I have an account, I will just have to sign in here. I just have to click here and then sign in. This is my login details I already saved. I just have to click it and then log in. So I'm going to log in now. Okay, this is my dashboard, and these are the apps that I've created using this app creator 24. So to create a new app, what you have to do is to locate this part where it says create app, this part that says create app. Then you click on create app. When you click on create app, you enter the name of your app. You get, first thing is to enter the name of your app. Let's enter the name of the app. This app that I'm creating now is an app that I'm creating for a client, so you just have to, let me confirm the name and be sure. Just let me confirm the name, because this is an app that I'm creating for a client. So let me confirm the name of the app. Let me confirm the name of the app. Okay, this is it. DCI Flex, Flix. So you enter the name exactly, DCI Flix. Okay, this is the name here. So after entering the name, the next thing that you have to do is to enter the app icon. When I mean by app icon, this is what I'm talking about. Let me, like this app here, all these images that are seen here, that's the app icon. So you choose the one that will be okay for your app. A very wonderful picture that will be the app icon of this app that we are building. So you go to your folder where the folder is and then select it. Okay, let me just locate where that picture is. I just have to locate the picture where it is. So let's wait. Okay, let me go to images. Because you can just go to your folder where you save the image. You get, I guess, okay, it has opened. So I'll just have to scroll down to the particular one, the picture, the logo that I want to use. When doing your own, also choose, like, go to your folder and select the particular one. Okay, this is the one that will be, this is the logo that we are going to use, as you can see here. Just click on it and then select it. When you select it, as you can see, it has saved. Then you enter the description of your mobile app. Let's just say DCI DCI Flix is a TV channel for all round for all round entertainment and latest updates. Okay, so after entering the details now, all you have to do is to click on next. When you click on next, it will save all these details that you have saved now. Okay, so the next thing now is to select the style that you want for your mobile app. So this app style is how you want your app to be. If you want your app background to be black, if you want it to be contrast, hollow, blue, red, and all that. So you just have to make your choice and choose the one that you want. For me, I think these contracts here. So you choose the one that you want, the best one. So I think this black, this black should be okay. Oh, okay, it should be okay. So you click on next. When you click on next, as you can see, it will now ask you the kind of app that you want to develop here. Select kind of app you want to create. You have then you go through all these options here. You go through all these options here to choose the one that you want to create. If it's a social or chat network, web app, TV or video app, quizzes. You have video sharing app. This video sharing app is more like a video sharing app, just like you have YouTube here, says forum and radio station and all those and other ones. You get create a sticker app for WhatsApp. You can actually create a sticker app for sharing stickers on WhatsApp. So let's for the sake of this training and also for the sake of this client's requirement, I just have to click on web app. When you click on this web app, you enter a name for your for this particular app that you want to create here. And mind you, you can create more than one section. But if you want your app to have one section, you can just create it and save it and leave it like that. But this one now we are going to create multiple sections. So the first section that we're going to create now is um a website app, and this one now will be basically for the YouTube channel of this client. So let's just say name is to be Black TV. So now you enter the URL. Okay. After that, you click on next, as you can see here. So after all this stuff here, it says wizard completed, app created. So you have to go to your app manager where you configure every necessary settings in the app. This is it here. So these are the options. I'm going to show you the uses of all these options here. Say general info, design, section, office, product, say notification, ads, statistics, and download app. This general info is where you have to edit the name, general information, sharing, launch message, and also all those rate app. Like whenever you open an app and it asks you, do you like our app? Give us a review on Google Play Store. That's the purpose of this rate here. Let me circle it. This rate here, that's it. So over to design. This is where you design everything, the colors, the fonts, charts, and because everything they are written here, you can edit anything here on this app manager. It says bottom menu, main menu, top bar icons. Then we are going to take this stuff one after the other. And this one that says ads here, this one that says ads is where you add or monetize your app. You can actually monetize app that you develop from here and make money out of it. But that's not we'll come to that later. First of all, let's take it one after the other. Let's go to designs. Let's go to designs here. Go to designs, name and icon. Let's go to name and icon. Go to name and icon. This is where you enter your name and the logo and every stuff that I want about this app. Let's increase the version to something like 10.9. Yeah, it's fair. So after that, you click on save. It will ask you when you change the name or icon, it's necessary to regenerate the app. This may take up to 2 minutes. You want to continue, then you click on yes. So after clicking on this stuff here, the next thing that you have to go to is general settings. Click on general settings. Okay. This is where you have to enter every details. It says if you want your password to have login, this is where you set every stuff here. As you can see, it says access password. Like you can actually set the app to have a particular password. If you don't want everybody to have access to, you can just enter the password here or these are other details that you can add. Ask for confirmation to exist. Like if someone want to exist, the person can you can ask the person, and it says here tick yes. It says keep always screen on, show app icon in notification, yes. Use custom tabs to open link externally, allow screenshot. If you don't want people to take screenshot on your mobile app, you can actually disable it. It says here block access from routed device and other options. You just have to go through every details here, like take your time and go through it. And this privacy policy, you can actually edit it. You can actually edit it and then enter a customized privacy policy. Why is this necessary to enter a customized privacy policy? Whenever you want to upload your app on Google Play Store, it's necessary that you have a customized privacy policy. If not, your app will be brought down. So this is it for this one here. After entering everything, you just click on save. You click on save, everything that you've entered here will save. So let's go over to share. This share here is for sharing your app. This one is for sharing your app. Like this is the message that people will see whenever they want to share, whenever they click the share icon on your app. It says here, I am sending you this app that you may be interested, and this is the app link. If your app is already on Google Play Store, you can just copy it and replace it with this ones here, with this link here. But we are not going to do that because we just created this app. We have not uploaded it to Google Play Store yet. So let's go back to launch message. This is where, like, this is what people will see. If you want to have a customized launch message, like welcome to DCI Flix or something like that, but we're not going to add it to this app. So this one here is rate app. You can actually set rate app for your mobile app, for people to rate you, but it's advisable for you to do this only when your app is on Google Play Store already. But if it's not on Google Play Store, you can just ignore it till your app is on Google Play Store. So that's all for this general. Let's go back to designs. This designs is where you set everything, color, everything that has to do with your app designs. You get This is where you have to set everything about your app. You get So here it says background color is black based on the style that we choose. Icon color, let's choose another one. Let's go to custom so that it will enable us to choose any color that we want. Okay, it says here icon color. You can choose any color. Let's just use red or something. Top bar icon, let's choose something like red again. You just have to add a color that is visible. You get So it says here other sections icon. You have to choose this section icon because whenever you want to open a new section, like in all these section that have menu that are arranged vertically, you can just click on it on any of this icon. Let me choose this one here, so that whenever I tap on it, it will bring out the list of menus. So I will save these changes. Okay. So after saving these changes, I'll now go to menu type. This is where Let me go to menu type. I'm not coming to this chat sounds yet because we have not yet entered social media app development. I'm going to choose one. You are going to choose one type of menu. You can either decide to have a top menu where all your all your app menu will be appearing in this format like this one is. But if you don't want it to be appearing that way, you can just choose this type so that whenever you click, it will appear horizontally. Or you can choose this table menu if you want to have multiple sections like this app that we're going to create now. For the sake of this training, we are going to have multiple tables, multiple options. So I'm going to choose this one now, as you can see. So when you choose it, you have to enter the details about the menus here. So let's take our time to configure everything. Okay, then you come here, style, same style. You can choose custom so that it will enable you to, choose any color of your choice. But if you have a specific color, you cannot choose again except to change it to custom. So this is background color, background color. Okay, this is okay. This color is okay. Title color. Let's choose a good one. A visible color for our title. Title background color. Then you come here. Background image. This background image is what people will see whenever they open your app and see the the app, like this one here, like this, you have this app here. Let me show you something. This is the background of this image of this app here, of this website. You can choose to add anyone or leave it vacant. You get? So let's go over here. It says margin no, keep app fit. Okay, zoom if you want it to be zoomed, like for it to be very very visible. What it says here, keep fit to screen keeping ratio. Then you have other options like center menu, number of columns. You can either choose any columns, like any number of columns that you want to be, that you want for your menus. So let me choose 3. I can choose any number. You can just choose 3, it depends on the number of menu that I want to have. Like this 3 will make it to appear 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So let's just take our time. Gap between columns maximum. This maximum will make it to have enough space, but let's just choose one to reduce it to minimum. Load animation, choose section title, then round corners, medium as well. So this is the structure that we have to give our menu. So this is the one. This one now is the default one, and this one now is looking nice. So let's just click on save. Okay. Okay, then let's go over to bottom menu. Bottom menu can contain up to 5 items. Let's check. Here you can add anything to your bottom icon of your at the bottom section of your app. You can have images, adverts, and so on and so forth. But we are not going to have stuff like that. We are going to leave it. Let it just be a plain and clean app. Let's click on no. Okay, then let's go over to main icon here. These are the icon. This is the logo of our app. So let's click on save. App icons for top menu. So you can just choose, let's see, choose our default icon for this option. You scroll down to where you have your pictures. You scroll down. Let me check something. Sub and US first. So I have to take my time to locate the picture, the image. Okay. Just have to take your time to, just select the specific one so that it will be filtered. Let's choose image so that it will be easier for us to locate the picture. Okay, as you can see, it's the only picture that's showing here. It's the only picture that's showing here. So you scroll down to where you want. Okay, this is it here. You just choose it and then select. Let's select again because of the time that I wasted. That's why it did not choose. So let's choose an image. Then scroll down to that particular pictures. Okay. Scroll down to okay, this is it here. Here we have it. So you select it. As you can see, you have selected it. So you click on save. When you click on save, you will save. Your save icon has been saved. So let's go over to top bar icons. This is where you configure the top bar, the top bars that you see on your app. So for the sake of this app, we may have to make our app to look neat. Have to remove every all these options here. When you click on this arrow that is pointing to the right, it will go out. That means we don't need it yet. You get, and here you can actually add anyone that you want by clicking here. If you click here, you add, as you can see, I've added, but we don't need it yet. We need our app to be clean first. Though we have to, like, for with time I'll keep updating you people about all this stuff, like different things. So let's go back to a very important thing here in this app. Okay, let's go over to load image. Like, this is whenever you want to open an app, like you open an app, there's something that they call a splash screen. The splash screen is what you see first when you click on a mobile app. Like, as you have Facebook, when you click on Facebook, it will not just open immediately. It will first of all show you an icon, or maybe display some things, maybe an onboarding or welcoming designs or stuff like that. So this is where we are going to edit it for this app. So this is it here. When you come to this app, as you can see here, let's choose the one that we want to be our load image. Okay, just do the same thing that we did, how we selected our image. Just take your time here. Scroll down to this place. You get, scroll down, you select the one that you want. Okay, or I think we should use a different one. Yeah. So when you use it, you make sure you make the colors to fit into what, or let's use this type, this same icon here. Let it be the same icon with our logo, so that will make everything easier and uniform for us. You get. So let's just select image here, image, so that it will be only image that will show them. Scroll down to where you have your logo. Okay, let's select this logo here. Select it here. Okay, after selecting it now, the thing now that what you have to do is to like set it, to make some readjustments. Come here to this place here, you click on until this will enable the app to fit into the screen. Like, when you open it, it will fill in the screen, like it says here, until it or height full view screen. So you select this one. Now you can choose other options. For the sake of this training, I'll be downloading this app so that for us to test all this stuff that that we are setting now, and we can actually change it to suit our test and also look nice if the one that we're choosing now is not looking nice. So this one here is the time, the number of time that this splash screen will show. Like, you know that that's how you open an app, like all this first bank app. Let's just say you want to open a first bank app. You click on first bank app. It first of all show you first bank logo. That number of time is the stipulated time that you want it to show. But this one now is set at 2 seconds already. You can choose any number of seconds that you want depending on your schedule. But the best is always to make it short. So let's leave it at these 2 seconds. Okay, so it says here load type. If you want it to be only image will show. But if you want your launching image to be both text and image, it will be. And if you don't want it to have anyone at all, you can just click on this none. But we're not going to click on it. Let's use this um image only. Then you choose the position. Choose the position here. It's supposed to be at the center, which is the normal place every splash screen is supposed to be. So you choose the size. Choose the size medium. Let's leave it at medium. You get. So let's choose a background image. It's advisable to choose a background color. Let's say that it's always good to choose background color the same that has the same color with this your logo. Like, as this one here is kind of black. When choosing your background color is supposed to be black. So you choose the background color. It says here to we have to set our color to be on custom. It says to modify the color, choose custom color. So let's go over to this place here that says custom. Let's choose custom so that we can change colors. Okay, this one now is now at customs. You now change the background. Make sure that you choose the same thing with this one now, with this our logo. Okay, you just have to come to this place here and choose black color. No, it's not the same thing. It's not looking. It's not really like it's the same thing, but still, we have to continue until we get the perfect one. Okay, let's just shoot the same gradient. Make sure that the background color is the same thing with the gradient. So you choose the same color here. Everything is now looking nice. Then this one now is down the loading icon. When you are in your app here, when you are in the app and you click on anything that has network, or maybe that has a hyperlink, you can that rotating, that loading to show you that this stuff is loading, like you'll be rotating, showing you that it's loading. You choose the color, give it a custom color. It's always good to give it red so that it will be visible enough and people know that this stuff is still loading. So after setting all this splash screen image, you click on save. You can see saving here now. Okay. Okay. So now you have this is background image. This background image is not really necessary because we just have we want our app to look professional. Adding a background image will not really look nice. So at this point here, I'm going to stop here for now. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel because this is not the end of this training. I will still I will download this app now, and my next video I'll add it in this place here. I'll add it in a playlist so that you can watch all the tutorial videos. I just want to make it to be short and simple so that you not get bored while undertaking this training. So let me download this app so that you see what we actually did. As you can see here, it has download option. You click on your download here. When you click on download, this app is now ready to use. We are going to test what we have done. This is not the final use. We are just testing it. But if after testing and you see that the app is okay, like is working perfectly and it has everything that you need, you can just go ahead to publish it on Google Play Store. I will still teach you all how to publish app on Google Play Store. Just make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you follow the playlist because I'm going to upload all the tutorial videos. As you can see, the app has downloaded. Let's open our app and see what we did here. As you can see, this is what we did. This is the app icon. It says here, do you want to install this app? Click on install now. Install. Our next video will be about creating different sections. This is the first section that we created now. Next one will be about creating different sections and also different stuff, different things like different section of the app, both product, how to send notification and all that. So let's open our app and see what we have done. Let's open the app now. As you can see, it's downloading. It's now black. Look at this is what is showing here. This is because of the color. So it says allow. Okay, this is it here. This is not actually looking nice. This is not actually looking nice. But we still have to set everything. So let's open this to the black TV. Okay. Let's wait for it to load. It's now loading. It's now loading. This is what you will show because this is what we actually added. This is that link that we added. So this is it here. The YouTube channel link. You can go back. Okay. As time goes on, we'll create as many sections as possible and also work on this app. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. In my next training, I will teach you how to create more sections and also how to modify this app to look more professional. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video.